It's Tuesday, and that means it's time for another Teacher Tip Tuesday with me, Teacher Donna. Hello and welcome back. Quick question before we begin. Do you collect things? Anything? I guess I could ask, do you collect nouns? Because a noun is a person, place, or thing. As you are probably aware, I have a collection of cat shirts. And that, my friends, brings us to today's lesson topic, collective nouns. Well, what is that? A collective noun is a noun used to refer to a whole group of things, like a pounce of cats. You can also say a glaring of cats, or even a clutter of cats. Cats. Okay, enough about cats. We can refer to these things as one whole unit. Let me give you some more common examples. A deck of cards, a troupe of dancers, a pride of lions, and a bouquet of flowers. Then there's a cackle of hyenas. Anyone who has seen Lion King knows that this is accurate. And what about a prickle of porcupines? Sounds like a group I don't want to encounter. However, a raft of otters is something I would love to see. Notice that the examples I have used have the word of in front of them. You don't always need of before your collective noun. We also talk about a family, a jury, a team, an audience, and a class. Isn't this fun? Here are some of my favorite collective nouns in no particular order whatsoever. A kindle of kittens, a scurry of squirrels, a squad of squid, a circle of friends, a huddle of penguins, a gaggle of geese, a wheeze of joggers. And let me take a moment to thank the person who came up with a flamboyance of flamingos. You rock. What would you call a group of writers? What about a group of spoons? Get creative and comment below with your unique collective nouns. And just like that, you have exercised your mind. Great work. Please drop a bundle of likes below, as well as a collection of comments with your unique collective nouns. A galaxy of appreciation to you. See you next week. Bye-bye. Meow.